Welcome to AutoCAD online training presented by BIMLabs Engineering Services Private Limited. BIMLabs is an Autodesk authorized learning partner and a member of IGBC. Our business areas include BIM training for students and corporates, BIM implementation supports for corporates, BIM projects outsourcing, and BIM placement services. I am Lima Manohar, Senior Technical Engineer, BIMLabs Engineering Services Private Limited, lima at bimlabs.in. This is my mail ID. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create isometric drawings in AutoCAD. So, what is isometric drawings? Isometric drawings are method for making 3D drawings using 2D coordinates. The angle for isometric drawings are 30 degrees as like in the figure. And we can see three phases in isometric drawings. To turn isometric commands, first of all, go for drafting settings, DS enter. In this, going to the snap and grid option, here is an snap called isometric snap. Just on, it will change your view to a isometric isoplane. So the cursor is changed. Now, if you want to change the cursor, then go for the command F5, function key F5. So it will change your isoplanes like this. Or you can go to the status bar, there is an option called isoplane. Okay, I'm going to create a cube of 100 units. So before starting isometric drawing, first of all, turn on the ortho command F8. Then line command L enter. Starting pointers 0, 0 enter. Then creating 100 units in this direction, 100 enter. Then my plane is going vertical. So 100 enter, 100 enter. So one phase is created. For another phase, you can copy this one in opposite direction. So copy command, CO enter, or from here, copy, pick a base point. Then if you want to copy your drawn item to a particular direction, just change the isoplane F5. So it will move like this. So here also 100 units. Then for a cube, we can connect another corners by using a line tool. So it is look like a wireframe mod. So if you want to create a solid, just remove this. So a cube is created, an isometric view, a cube. So it's a simple one. So we can go for another example. Try to create this model. Okay. This is a machine part having dimensions like this. We want to create this, how to create this in isometric. Starting with the line tool, picking a point manually. The dimension is 30 units in one direction and in vertical also a 15 units. Going for 15. Then there is a circle having a diameter of 8 and outer circle having a radius of 7.5. So how to create a circular object or circular drawing in isometric view? So I just change the plane, and here the dimension is, for the outer circle is 7.5 radius, so it will be of 15 units. So I provided the dia of 15, enter, then going 10, enter, 15, enter, and closing this. So I want to create a circle. So selecting a circle and creating a radius, it will be a wrong thing. So how we can create an iso circle? So going to the ellipse command or ellipse, from here axis and ellipse option, there is a sub option called iso circle. So just select this, specify the center point of the iso circle, then you can provide the radius, or if you have a diameter value, then diameter also. So it will came like this. So inner circle or inner iso circle can be created by using the dia option, because here they gives dia of 8 units. So again, L axis and ellipse, iso circle, just picking this, and dia option 8 units. We can trim the unwanted items by using the trim command. Then we can copy this face to the opposite axis. The dimension, total radius is 10 units. So the dia of this area is 20 units. Here 10, then 5, 5. So we can copy this to a 5 unit. So F5 again, 5, 10, 5. And just selecting this one and taking the copy option, picking the base point and place it here. Can remove the circle and the unwanted items here. Want to connect the top option. So going to the line command, just connecting the quadrant points and trim the unwanted portions. So this half of this drawing is completed. Then we can copy this one, taking the copy command, picking the base point and copy to a distance of 15 units. Then you can trim the unwanted options. Okay, then for the base option, there is a radius isocircle having a radius of 10 units. So the dia is 20 units. So from the line command, picking the point 20, enter, just connecting here. Going to the isocircle option again. Isocircle, Picking the center point, entering. Again, just copying this to bottom. Also, here also connect the corner by using the quadrant option, trimming the unwanted. And the base is also get ready. Now want to create a hole of dimension dia of 4 units and a gap of 5 units. So we can connect the two isocircles for creating this one. Again, go into the isosnap, isocircle, center point, a dia of 4, and the center to center distance is 5 units. Copy this isocircle. Then connecting using a line. Then trim the portion. So we created this model very simply. So if we want to dimension this, just go for the dimension option from the menu bar, dimension, linear dimension. So it will came like this. So choose the align dimension option. Dimension, align dimension. Taking the 2 points, but the dimensions axis is not in the plane of isoplane. So by using the oblique method from the dimension, selecting the object, enter, then we can provide the direction for the dimension. So starting and ending. Here also, by using the oblique, select the dimension, enter, picking a basing point and the direction to be aligned. So in this way, we can dimension the isometric drawing and completed this one. Thank you for today's session.